JW Operating Company is an energy development and services company providing natural gas compression, gathering, exploration, and production services, well servicing, and gas measurement. For 50 years, we've been supplying support services to gas producers in all of the major oil and gas basins. And in that time, we've earned a solid reputation for excellent service, innovation, efficiency, and safety. The foundation for JW Operating Company was laid when Dallas physician Dr. Ralph Connell had a production problem with a well he owned in Oklahoma. To assess the problem, he called petroleum engineer Thomas Jeffrey to come and have a look at it. A part was needed to repair the well, so Mr. Jeffrey called Bethlehem Steel, who sent one of their engineers, Howard Westerman, to make the installation. And the two men quickly became friends.
It was there that I first met Howard Westerman. Howard was working as a equipment salesman for one of the large equipment companies. He was furnishing the pipe and equipment for that project, and I was doing the reservoir engineering. And we spent a lot of time together. And he broached the idea that maybe we ought to form an operating company to operate Proctor's.
When two water flood unit owners asked Howard to operate their units for them, Dr. Connell loaned the money to Jeffrey and Westerman to start a company. JW Operating Company was officially chartered on November 10, 1960. Dr. Connell has since been affectionately known as the Dash in the J-W. In 1962, Thomas Jeffrey returned to his passion of independent consulting, and Howard Westerman became the controlling owner and chief executive officer of JW Operating Company.
I was born in Cincinnati, Ohio, in 1928. I moved to Oklahoma City, Oklahoma when I was a freshman in high school in about 1942. Grew up in Oklahoma City and went to high school in Oklahoma City. I went as a freshman to St. Benedict's College in Atchison, Kansas. And subsequent to that, I transferred to the University of Oklahoma, where I graduated in 1950 with a degree in petroleum engineering.
After college, Howard joined the Army Corps of Engineers, where he met Laura Jane David at a USO event. Married her on January 22, 1952, and started a family that would eventually include 7 children.
Howard did not, I don't think he really expected to do as well as he did. His mind was always working.
It was a well-orchestrated plan, a vision of the man. And he put together a team that would take this as a concert and play it as a symphony. And what he did for us was allow us to be ourselves, but still have the single-minded focus of this is where JW Operating can be in the next millennium. And he set the groundwork in the people that he instilled his ideas, thoughts, values, and trust, and allowed us to build that with him.
A successful businessman, engineer, pilot, dedicated patriot, generous humanitarian, and above all, a man of deep religious conviction, Howard Westerman left a corporation perfectly positioned for future growth. JW Operating Company is an all-American success story, a story of hard work, smart strategies, and honest dealings. The name of JW Operating Company honors our past, but no longer reflects the full scope of our business. for energy providers and users across the country. We provide natural gas energy services and development of a quality and value that is unsurpassed. We've been doing that for 50 years, and we intend to keep doing it far into the future, maintaining and advancing our legacy of excellence. JW Operating Company.